Good morning, dear student. In continuation of the chapter, we are here with the limitation of ratios. Although we had discussed numerous benefits, how ratio is helpful for us, now a few limitations is also there. The first you can see on the screen, false result. How it can present a false result? See, ratio analysis is calculated with the reference of financial statement. So if the financial statement is not reliable, then certainly the ratio that we have calculated on the basis of the data of given in financial statement will also not satisfactory, will also not taken as true and fair view. Second, lack of a standard ratio. There are numerous ratios, but there is not a single ratio that can present entire position of the financial statement of an enterprise. There are various ratios you need to calculate for various point of view and for various reasons. Here mean to say there is not a standard single ratio that we can use for the calculation. After calculating that, we can understand the whole performance of the organization. Next one is ignore price level change. When there is a change in the price level, it also affects the comparability of the ratio. But in accounting variables, the price level changes is not taken. So it also leads as a limitation for the ratio analysis, isn't it? The next one is window dressing. It may be possible that the data has been manipulated. A vital fact has not been shown while presenting financial position. So, in a such situation, presence of particular ratio may not be a definite indicator of good or bad management. Next is qualitative factors are ignored. Ratio analysis is a technique of quantitative analysis and thus ignore qualitative factors which may be important in decision making. So these are the limitations. You have to work on that. You have to write in a detail. Now come to the types of ratio that we will cover in this chapter. You can see liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, turnover ratio, and profitability ratio. Liquidity ratio. This ratio is used to measure the ability of any enterprise or organization to meet its short-term obligations, to meet its current liabilities, current obligations. Thereafter, solvency ratio. This ratio is calculated to know the position of any organization, that whether organization is able to meet its long-term liabilities. turnover ratio. This ratio indicates the speed at which activities of business are being performed. And the last one is profitability ratio. This ratio is calculated to analyze the earning capacity of the business, which is outcome of utilization of resources employed in the business. Means how much resources has been used by a business and how much the organization has earned on that. So till today it is enough. We will meet in the next slide. Till then, goodbye.